in South Florida, there are so many drivers. It's probably one of the cities in this country that has the most uninsured drivers. So the most important thing that I would tell anybody to protect themselves and their family is to get uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. This way, if you get hit by an uninsured driver or an underinsured driver, you're protected. Your family's protected, and if you're seriously injured, you'll at least be able to go against your own insurance policy to get compensated for the injuries you sustained. This also covers you if you're a jogger or if you're a biker and there is a car accident, a car hits you, you will be covered under these circumstances. So it's extremely important for the cyclists and the joggers out there in our community, because I know accidents do happen with cars, so it's important to have that coverage. I feel for the cyclist. I mean, it's extremely dangerous. It's not an easy environment to be a bicyclist. This isn't the Netherlands where everybody's like riding around on a bike. Here you're dealing with like 4,000-pound vehicles driving 60 miles an hour, and they're literally inches away from you. So do what's important. Get the coverage you need. Get the uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. You can't trust that the other people on the road are going to do the right things and follow the rules. So go ahead and get this coverage. It's the easiest way to protect yourself. If you're in a car accident, call the cops, all right? Most people, they want to just call it a day, exchange information, but you can't trust that the other person's actually going to give you the proper information or whether their insurance is actually valid. So this way, by calling the cops will come, they'll do a report, they'll get the proper information from both parties, yourself and the other driver that was involved in the accident, and that way you have an accurate accounting of what insurance each person has. This is important even if you're not injured, because if you want to get your car fixed and you want the at-fault party to fix your car so you don't have to use your deductible, at least you have a report that you could show to the at-fault party's insurance carrier. Be like, hey, your insured was at fault for this accident. You guys should fix my car and put me in a rental. Right. If you're injured on the scene, the first thing I'm going to tell you is call paramedics and go either A, to a hospital, or B, if you're fine to drive, go to a hospital or urgent care and get checked out right away. Best thing to do is to seek medical treatment as soon as possible. And the good thing about seeking medical treatment right away is that you're covered by your own insurance carrier. So whatever insurance you have on your car, you have up to $10,000 worth of medical treatment that you're allowed to receive through the PIP. Well, you always are responsible for your deductible, but the good thing about being involved in a motor vehicle accident is that you do have insurance. Even if you don't have medical insurance, in a vehicle, if you're in your car and you have car insurance here in the state of Florida, you have personal injury protection, which means you have medical insurance up to $10,000. You generally have a $1,000 deductible, and they pay 80% of your medical bills, but you do have some medical coverage allotted for you.